Alright guys, what's going on? It's Josh Blocker today, and today I'm going to be bringing you about a contest that I won, and also I'm going to be saying my thoughts about Advanced Warfare. So, my thoughts about Advanced Warfare, oh yeah, I'm going to talk about the competition first. So if you guys didn't know, I won the competition with Swift. He was uploading the video when I was in the Skype call. I had no idea if I won or not, and then he just said the winner is oh Joshy. His link will be in the description, and he done his outro then. So then I'm pretty happy that I won that contest. I got a free logo and banner even though he already made me loads of that shit. And by the way, shout out to Swift, I don't Swift, no homo. But yeah guys, my thoughts about Advanced Warfare is I hope we can just trick on sniping it. I hope it's not like Black Ops 2, just random people try hard and ruining the game. Like, I'm playing a Black Ops 2 right now, and some guy just captured me from about a mile away, which David Wonderhart. He doesn't even fix it. But, yeah guys, I will be, I'm probably going to be shit at that as well, but I am pretty good at Black Ops 2. I'm on a really bad dry streak at the moment. It's really bad. Anytime I go into free-for-all, I end up screaming. Like, raging so much. Everyone in this game just fucking tryhards. But yeah guys, I'll be playing it with Swift. We might be uploading a video on Christmas about it. It's coming out in less than 2 weeks, I believe. And yeah guys, yeah, it's coming out in less than 2 weeks. So yeah guys, I'm gonna have a big montage for 100 subs if we make it to that. And I might do face reveal. Maybe a face reveal, I don't know. I don't know how I should do that right now because most of my friends watch it off the PS3 and they haven't got a clue what my face look like. But the only person that looks like or knows what my face looks like is Swift. And yeah, me and Swift will be uploading a video on Christmas Day, so try and stay tuned for that. For now we'll be doing commentaries and Q&As. So that's pretty much been it guys. I've been Josh and I'm out. Peace.